Hello everyone, my name is Burak and I'm an investment and immigration advisor for foreigners in Turkey. In today's episode, I'm going to give you information about how to get your Istanbulkart and how to use it for public transportation in Istanbul. What is Istanbulkart? Istanbulkart is a prepaid card that you can use for all public transportation in Istanbul. It includes metro, bus, tram, ferries and metrobuses in Istanbul. So with a single card you can explore whole Istanbul. Also you can use Istanbulkart for public toilets, for partner shops and also at the vending machines in the metro stations. Getting Istanbulkart yourself is quite easy. You can get Istanbulkart in two ways. In the first way, there are electronic machines in the metro stations and near the busy public transportation areas which give Istanbulkart. Simply you can go to that machine and I will also shoot a video for that and you will choose Istanbulkart. And when you top up the money, it will give you the Istanbulkart. In the second option, in the small kiosks or shops near the public transportation areas, they also sell Istanbulkart. So you can go to the individual operating that kiosk and you can ask for Istanbulkart. If it is your first time in Istanbul and if you are in the airport, you can go to the bus area, the bus floor of the airport, and there are also the electronic machines that give Istanbulkart for you. And now I will shoot a video in that kiosk and I will show you step by step how you can get your Istanbulkart.
You can buy Istanbulcard from this menu. Please take your card from return tray below.
In the last section, we got our Istanbulkart from the machine. And now I will give you information about how to top up money to Istanbulkart and how to use it. To top up money, again, we can use the same electronic machine and we can first put the card and after our card is identified by the electronic machine, we can top up the money. And when we use Istanbulkart at every transportation method, there is a passage that we use and we can just make the card be read by the machine and we can go to the other side and use the transportation in Istanbul. And now in the next videos I will show you how to do both of them.
İşleminiz yapılıyor. Lütfen sadece kağıtlara giriş yapınız. Kartınızı alanda işleminiz yapılıyor. Lütfen bekleyiniz. Kart yüklemeniz gerçekleşti.
In the final section, I will give you important information about how much the card costs, how much transportation fees are, and how you can use the public transportation without the Istanbulkart. First of all, it's exactly 50 lira to get Istanbulkart from the electronic machine. After you get the Istanbulkart, you can top up money and it will be ready to be used. When you use Istanbulkart, when you first use the first public transportation, it's 7.67 Turkish lira. It's roughly $40 cents. And every time you use the Istanbulkart in the next 2 hours, for example, if you use it for the second type of transportation within 2 hours, the fee becomes cheaper for the subsequent uses. For example, for the second use, it becomes 5.49 Turkish lira. For the second use after that, it becomes 4.17 Turkish lira. And also, if you don't use Istanbulkart, you can use the electronic ticket. So these are single use or 3 times use or 10 times use tickets that you can use. But they are way more expensive than Istanbulkart. For example, if you want to buy one electronic ticket, it's 15 Turkish lira. If you want to buy 2 electronic tickets within the same ticket, it's 25 Turkish lira. And for 3 tickets, it becomes 35 Turkish lira. So we strongly recommend you use Istanbulkart because it's easier, it's cheaper, and also every time within 2 hours you use this card, the second use and the third use becomes cheaper. And one final information, there is no cash payment in public transportation in Turkey. So either in Istanbul you need to use Istanbulkart or you need to use the electronic ticket. There is no other option. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will help you to get your Istanbulkart easily. If you have any questions, you can always ask it in the comment section of this video. Also, if you want to have more information about how to live in Turkey as a foreigner, you can subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos. Thank you very much again, and I wish you a great time in Turkey.